AUD USD, AUD USD. So how is it going to be? How is it going to be? So first I gotta clean up my drawings. This is actually what I predicted last. This my levels have been here for 2 weeks now. I just like leaving my levels the way they are, so that I will know where I'm entering and where my exit points are. See, my levels. I started shooting this pair, immediately left. This is my range box. So what am I going to do? Is to start again from the 3 months as usual. I gotta clean up my levels, my points. So what am I seeing from this 3 months chart? Initially what I do is I go to from this 3 months chart, again support and resistance. Resistance levels, those key resistance and support, the ones I can see from the higher time frame, the highest time frame. Put them into consideration, because this is where the markets tend to price reacts when it gets to that level, those levels. So you have to put it into consideration. So what am I seeing here from the 3 months chart? I'm seeing bearish trend, this trend line all the way to the downside. Buyers are. So let's go to the monthly. So like I said, from the monthly, this monthly is telling me bearish. Whenever I come to AUD USD, I see a bearish trend. Exactly. Nothing more, nothing else. Because if you check here, it tends to be a kind of ceiling here. Let me just put it here. So the monthly is showing me a red candle, telling me that for now it is bearish. Until then, is also pointing down, so automatically we are bearish. AUD USD, we put support here, here to make it look so if I want to short this pair, if I want to start shorting this pair, I'm trading it for some time now. So let me do something like this. This is not really okay. Something here. Let me go to my daily. What's my daily telling me? My daily is making a bearish move. It's telling me that this price, initially this was a range. This whole place, I left it inside a range before it broke out. That was early last month. It was just inside this range, so that's why I was bearish on this pair on the lower time frame this last week, because throughout I've not touched it. I was waiting for it to just leave this box, so automatically it left it, and it's pointing towards the downside, at least to this level here. So if I should go to my 4-hour time frame, What am I looking at? Good. Right. So I won't just to sell this market. If I want to short AUD USD, I won't just short it immediately. I will look for a pullback. Here's what I mean. This is where I tend to do something like this. Then let me bring out my fib. Let's calculate from here. This is the 0.5 and 6 level. Whenever price pulls in there, it crashes. So now bringing it more to this place, because I'm going to trade the pullback. I'm not trading the pullback, I mean I'm following the trend. So right now I'll wait for pullback. I would love to see something like this happening here. So I'll just this is going to be my entry. I'll start shorting this pair from here. And as you can see, is in line with my trend line. So now if you put all your trading tools together, most times I use the moving average, sometimes I don't, because moving average most times confuse you. To get maybe two on the higher time frame is pointing up, on the lower time frame is pointing down. So most times I just tend to leave it. So what I do, I just use my simple tools, the fib, trend line, and my zone. So what I tend to see AUD USD is something like this. Price making this move here, 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 then come to this level. Then I will start selling, targeting this downside, because I'm going to hold the trade. When I short it, I'll hold and move my stop loss to this point. You always have to give your stop loss enough time to breathe. So my stop loss is going to be here, around this 0.7 fib level, here or here. This point where the price left initially. That's why most times I always put my stop loss where the price action left. So because I know there is nothing that will make it go back to that price level, so I will put my stop loss here. This is my entry, targeting this whole place. My stop loss will be placed right here. For me, I'm not seeing any bullish trend on AUD USD for now. So for this week, I will box it up here. I will box it and I will leave it. Oh, wait, this one is happening. I'll box it and I'll leave it. Price will either leave this side, but I know I want to see something like this forming, this making some pullbacks into this level before I short this pair. So that's my bias on AUD USD. Do to tell me in the comment section what you feel and how you see the trend and where you think it's heading to. For me, I'm favoring downside. But until then, to go bullish on this trend, anything that will make me think of going bullish is whenever price action start trading above this level here. Whenever price action start trading above here, automatically it's coming to take out this old resistance zone, and then it will target this trend line. Remember, this trend line is from where? From the monthly 3 months time frame. It's a very old trend line, so it took years for it to build. So whenever price takes out this massive resistance zone, it is coming to test this trend line. So that's it for AUD USD. Let me hear your own intake on the comment section. Then going further, if you have a trade call let me see your setup and let's discuss about it. Thank you.